Good day, students. Welcome to Mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to be going over how to solve literal equations for the specified variable. The question reads, the formula ax plus by equals c represents the equation of a line in standard form. Question, which expression represents y in terms of a, b, c, and x? Okay, so what we have here is a literal equation, namely the standard form of the equation of a line, ax plus by equals c. Okay, and the question said we have to write this expression, write y in terms of the other variables. So what it's telling us to do, basically writing an expression y in terms of a, b, c, and x is to solve for y. Isolate y. That's another way to look at it. Okay? Isolate or solve for y. Okay? So assume that this is an equation and you want to get y isolated. Every other variable represents some kind of number. Alright, so you're going to use the inverse of whatever property that is present to carry out your isolation. So in this particular case, we're going to move ax first to the right side using the inverse operation, which is to subtract. And then since b is being multiplied by y, we're going to use the division operation to separate them and get y isolated. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The goal here is to solve for or isolate y or express y in terms of a, b, c, and x. So we're going to subtract ax together from both sides of the equation. Subtract ax, okay. And when we do that, on the left side, we're going to be left with by, alright. These ones add up to 0. by is equal to c minus ax. Okay. Now, as indicated earlier, by just basically means that a number is being multiplied by y. Alright, and the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So what we're going to do is basically divide both sides of the equation by b. Bam. Alright, so divide the entire expression on the right by b. On the left side, you have a division action happening that divides out to 1. And then you're going to have y is equal to c minus ax divided by b. Alright, so there goes your answer right there. This is basically rewriting the equation for the standard form of the equation of a line, rewriting it as y in terms of a, b, x, and c. Alright, so let's take a look at what our correct answer is. Out of the options, our answer, c minus ax over b, is option number 1. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Don't forget to help support our channel. Tons of support resources can be found on Mathgotserved.com. If you have any questions or special requests, just specify it in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.